Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically export videos and like change the resolution as well as the FPS. So this is already on the maximum FPS, so just go to export, and here's where you can change the resolution. You're just going to select, for instance, 4K, and I'm just going to stay with the 60 frames per second. And once you have selected those, select export. Maybe you also want to change the bitrate, the codec as well, and the format, but I just chose MP4, 4K 60 frames per second, and the recommended bitrate. You can also change your FPS and modify, so select this gray area, go to modify, and you can select your frame rate here as well before you export that, and just press save, and then you can also change it here as well. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!